Hello, it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the Armwarmers for the Sylveon Gijinka Cosplay. For Sylveon's Armwarmers, we're going to be using Cutsew pattern number 13, the Fairy Ami pattern, and we're going to be deviating from the instructions a little bit because the pattern only has you cutting 2 out of fabric, so you're going to cut 2 out of the white fabric to make the arm warmers. However, the design on the package has pink inside, and I just thought that detail was really pretty. So we're going to be adding a lining to it, so we're going to cut 2 out of the white fabric and 2 out of the pink fabric. Putting right sides together, fold the arm warmer pieces in half, and we're going to sew them together along the top just a little bit, so we're still going to be keeping the curved edge open. Putting right sides together, sew the lining to the outer part of the arm warmer all along the opening. Then we're going to turn it right side out and press the edges. Sew along the top of the arm warmer to keep the edges together. And while this is optional, I also sewed a bit of lace around the opening at the bottom, just to give it a little bit more detail. Turn the arm warmer inside out, then we're going to fold over the top, making sure that the raw edge is tucked inward, and sew along the top of the arm warmer, leaving a space open so we can insert some elastic. Thread the elastic through the opening, and then we're going to sew the 2 ends of the elastic together. Pull the elastic into the channel and we're going to sew it closed. Turn the arm warmers right side out, and with that, Sylveon's arm warmers are done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.